We found the car. We're in a undisclosed suburban apartment complex on the outskirts of Phoenix, and our contact hasn't called us back, but we're here. We Ubered here with no way to get anywhere else, so hopefully he calls us back.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We're going to Barret Jackson.
Hell yeah, we are. This is dope.
Make sure I don't run.
I know.
Dude, I'm stoked.
Dude.
Are you stoked?
I'm so stoked.
It's gonna be sick.
This is gonna be the dopest.
I can't wait.
1 o'clock, Arizona.
Finally made it.
Whew. We gotta wake up in what, 6 hours?
Less than. Pick up our passes and our press pass. Should be fun. About 7:30 in the morning. We crashed on a homie's couch because the hotel didn't like us. We're a little tired. We're waiting on an Uber so we can go drop off some of our luggage. And it's beautiful. It's like 40-something degrees. Super early. A little bit of cloud cover, but everything's indoors, so it should be dope. They already started selling off Paul Walker's collection yesterday, so we might see some of his rowdy Mustangs for sale today, and a couple other fun exhibits that we were looking at that we might try and hit up, but should be a pretty good day.
Oh yeah.
We have arrived.
We just walked in the door. First impressions, everything looks amazing. This is the 49th year they've been doing it. They definitely have their stuff together. Let's go inside and check it out.
Before we do that, we might need some scooter rentals.
Ooh, rascals. Rowdy on the rascal, homie.
You could be the muse to my passion. We can make love like an act of God. I just match my words to my actions. Magic in my life's everlasting. I say I could have the world or be with any girl, but something about your style makes me wanna man up. We should fill our cups, catch a flick and do some stuff. I'm used to one night stands, but with you that's not enough. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see.
So this truck is 755 horsepower.
Oh my god, single cab, short bed, with it's got the factory tonneau cover.
We officially have found super heaven.
Just give me a sign, I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Just give me a sign if you wanna come. Why you presenting games I don't wanna play? I've been on my grind, I just wanna lay down with you. Spark a doobie, hit the town with you. Life is complicated, but I found in you something simple, I can wrap my head around it. Be my lady, cause you keep on around it.
Yeah, so you can see that it's got this accessory belt shaft that goes from the front where the harmonic balancer is, and then it transfers all that to the back, and they actually run the supercharger from back here, which is cool because then they still have that front mount intake. Badass.
Life is anything you choose, and I would choose you, baby. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign, yeah. Please give me a sign if you wanna come. Give me a sign, yeah. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Just give me a sign if you wanna come. I don't wanna front, I just wanna see you. Please give me a sign if you wanna come through, through. Oh yeah.
So how does it feel going from watching this on TV to literally
Being 15 feet away from it,
living it. Yeah.
that's incredible, man. I mean, you don't really get to see all the attention to details that are present in these cars. I was just telling Josh, they're cleaner than when they rode off the factory floor. Every panel is straight, every gap matches perfectly. I mean, the craftsmanship here is absolutely incredible.
I agree. Puts SEMA to shame, honestly.
Oof. From what I've seen, yeah, we'll have to check it out. Hopefully next year, end of this year. But yeah, I mean, it's unreal. The amount of cars in this room is just crazy.
Should be a good time.
Absolutely.
Seriously. Some BMWs.
Yeah, a ton of BMs here.
These are clean.
Oh yeah. The one Mustang.
It's a little out of place.
What are you about to do?
About to ride in a Supra. Do some sliding.
Some skids? Some six skids?
Some six kids.
Where are you guys from?
I'm from Denver.
Right on.
Yeah, we're from Colorado. We're out here actually on a media pass. I work for Street Scene Review. So
Okay.
we're out here checking everything out. Never been to Barrett. Watched it on television for years, so this is incredible.
You get to see the hype now.
Yeah, it's so sick,
The first
man.
time you come, you were overwhelmed by just the magnitude.
The volume.
Yeah.
It's insane how big this place is.
It looks like a sporting event. You got, tractor trailers out there, buses.
Oh yeah.
It's my first time at Scottsdale.
Is it?
I've done West Palm Beach and I've done the Vegas stuff. This has nothing compared to what this is. All right, you ready?
Yes, sir. Hell yeah. Oh my goodness. Woo! That was awesome, man. Thank you so much.
I appreciate it.
You've done that a time or two.
Like once or twice. I get lucky.
That's awesome.
What did you think?
Oh, dude, that was amazing. So good.
Yeah, these Supras kick butt.
Oh, they kicked out immediately.
So much fun. Jeez. Oh, snap. All right, well, I'll do it anyways. So,
Oh, really?
we're heading out of Barrett for a little bit.
Got a
because
sweet lead.
We decided to fly out here one way.
Yeah.
And we
decided.
we need a way home. So we're gonna go look at a car, not quite Barret Jackson quality.
No. But it's got a turbo.
It's got a turbo. For all those of you who, look at that. For all those of you who want to take a guess before the next episode airs, throw it down in the comments below. And
It's got a turbo and it's European.
there you go. And that's all we're going to tell you until the next episode. And if you guess it right in the comments below, we'll throw you a free sticker.
We'll see you on the streets.
See you on the streets.
We found the car. We're in a undisclosed suburban apartment complex on the outskirts of Phoenix, and our contact hasn't called us back. But we're here. We Ubered here with no way to get anywhere else. So hopefully he calls us back.